bottom line for us is we have to be able to produce the quality of the part that we want. And we do an awful lot of insert molding of parts. With operators, they forget to put something in, and then I have a bad part. And that bad part has a good chance that it could get to a customer. And with the automation equipment, I lose that factor. And also I'm gaining an operator free to run another manual job I have. I was able to get more work done on other things by having that body put someplace else. And I have a consistent cycle time every time. It never changes. And I'm actually able to shut the machine down for a week or so per month because I can build my stock of what I want within a shorter period of time because I run 24 hours a day unattended. I like it running automatically that nobody has to be around. That's how you make money. But I increase my bottom line with the automation. The quality is the driving factor on no matter how we run our business, that's what we drive. The Yushin servo robot serves a great need for a very complex operation that it's performing for us. When we first approached the project to do it, it worked very well because they seen what we were doing and what we're trying to accomplish, and they felt that they could do it. They gave us a preliminary on everything. We liked what we've seen, and we went with it. And everything is paid off to do that. I can ensure the quality to my customer, and that's the bottom line. I got to make sure that my parts that go out the door are what the customer is paying for, 100%. I'm going to use Yushin for my next project that I want to do. They did this project, they know how complex it was. The next one's a little more complex, but I feel that they learned also on this, on what they did, and doing the next one with both of our heads together, I think that we'll be able to accomplish this, and it'll work quite well for both of us.